Introducing the ToolTrek Modular Storage System by Ox, a game changer for professional contractors on the job site. This innovative system empowers users to customize their tool storage system to meet their everyday needs. The modular ToolTrek range is a tough and dynamic system, providing you with a comprehensive solution for organizing and safeguarding your tools. ToolTrek is the first stackable tool storage system with an IP66 waterproof and dustproof rating, the highest waterproof rating on the market. This allows you to combat the harsh conditions of the job site. Integrated M8 inserts enables users with a customizable way of storing their tools and accessories. We're committed to sustainability, using 100% recycled plastic for all black components. Large 230mm rubber-lined wheels provide maximum clearance when combating stairs, along with a foot platform to ensure mobility is effortless when manoeuvring the ToolTrek kit on the construction site. The wide detachable telescopic handle provides additional strength and can be detached when transporting the unit between job sites. The reinforced rib design and the 100kg load capacity allows you to put the ToolTrek system to the test, loading it with tools and carting materials around the job site. Experience the future of tool storage and join the trek today. No bull, just Ox.